Hey, welcome to today's class. We're looking at more numbers. We have done 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I wanted to take time to explain to you that 2, 3 and 4 took the genitive singular, and you can see that when you look at how they say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And I want to make it clear that this word, chas, means a clock when you're dealing with what time it is, but it also means hour, okay? So that might mean 2 o'clock, or it might mean 2 hours. It might mean 3 o'clock, or it might mean 3 hours, okay? So this word chas, it means hour. And you remember that chasi was watch, and so they call a watch hours. And that kind of makes sense because it shows you the hours, doesn't it? And so bear in mind that there are many connections between these different words, and as you learn them, I want you to make those connections. So today's title is Числа и Время, numbers and time. And we're going to do all the numbers to 100 quite quickly. And I know it takes time to learn them all. And of course, it's practice that you need. But here are the numbers. And practice firstly with 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put the stress on because it's important. So 1, одна, одно, одни. 2, 2, 3, and I don't put the stress on a one syllable word or where the stress can only go in one place for obvious reasons, but I have to show you here it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, and so that's where the stress goes. Always pay attention to the stress. And then you see 11, 12, 13, and I've put the stress, it moves here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you can hear there's a lot of at the end, isn't there? And that's what this soft sign does to a T. I wanted to quickly explain this because this is something that I personally ignored in Russian for a very long time until people started telling me that you're not saying it right, Dave. When you see a T and a soft sign, it is pronounced differently than just a T. And you've got two words here which are very common words. One is the word for brother and one is the word to take. And the only difference is this soft sign. And so when you listen to Russians speak, and try to listen to Irina, she's a native. I want you to listen to native Russians and hear the difference.
Здравствуйте, Дэйв.
Здравствуйте.
У меня сегодня для вас есть новое задание про семью. Вы видите эту картинку?
Я вижу.
Опишите, что вы видите?
Ну, я вижу бабушку, и у бабушки белые волосы.
Да, точно, у этой бабушки белые волосы.
Хорошо,
да.
Спасибо. Потом я вижу дочерю, да? Нет,
дочь.
Я вижу дочь. Я вижу дочь. Да, спасибо. Я вижу дочь, и у дочери длинные волосы.
Да, у нее длинные красивые волосы.
Да, у нее длинные красивые волосы. Спасибо.